Abeyance, which means to freeze work for a while and take rest, or delay in work, situation, meeting, and decision. For instance, after doing too much work persistently, she wants to take abeyance from office work for a while, then will continue again. As well as, young man decided to buy a car whereas he abeyanced this decision due to expensive price of vehicle. She decided to take rest from studies for a while. Synonyms of abeyance: postponed, delay, suspension. Antonyms of abeyance: continuing, continue, resume. Abeyance, 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 abeyance. Thank you for being here.